My great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, you are going to learn step by step on how to use Google Trend without any stress. So let's do it. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about Google Trend topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how you can actually master and how you can use Google Trend step-by-step tutorial. So let's see. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to use Google Trend step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to your address bar right here and type in Google Trend, then click on search. Then the very first result here is what you need to click, googletrend.com. Click on that. So you can see the URL right here, trend.google.com/trend. So that is exactly where we are going. And a brief things you need to know about Google Trend is the fact that Google Trend is a free tool that anybody can use to make research for content. You can use to make research for marketing. You can use it to make research for what is actually trending in your country or any other country across the world. So this is just like a brain box of Google search, okay? And every result you see right here can be used to do whatever you might think of doing. All right, so for us to use Google Trends, so by default, your country is going to be on the list right here. So I'm in Nigerian. That is why you see Nigerian as a country. So if you are not in my country, definitely you are going to see your country by default. Your country name is going to be here. And from the homepage on Google Trend right here, we have Google Trend homepage. Then we have Explore tab, and we have what is trending now. Then you can also scroll down and see what is currently on the Google Trend homepage like this. So you can see 2023 presidential election, 2022 World Cup. These are current searching results from Google. You can also scroll down and see more information about Google Trend and how we can explore Google Trend. So this is just the homepage of Google Trend. So for us to explore Google Trend, definitely we are searching for information. So for us to explore, we have to come to the home tab right here. We click on Explore. So by clicking on Explore, we'll be able to use Google Trend to our own advantage. So under the Explore tab, what are the things you can use? Under the Explore tab, you can add a search term right here, such as keyword of whatever you are looking for. So from there, you can search by country. So if you click on here, then it's going to present you with all country across the world. So you can see Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, America. You can scroll down. If you want to target a particular country, you can scroll down and begin to look for the country. But if you want to target the whole world, simply click on worldwide right here, and then you're going to see a result of that particular keyword across the world. Another way by which you can see these are all world results that is currently searching on Google right now. So you can scroll down and see more information about it. So when you see what people are searching across the world, so you can come to the Q section right here where you have rising. You can click on rising and decide to choose the top one. So the top one has to do with the utmost people searching for across the world, and we have about different 25 pages on Q, from 1 to 25 pages on Q right here. So you can see the top one here is Google information. Then people searching about you information, people search about YouTube information, weather, Facebook, etc. So this is for word category under the Explore tab. Now you can decide to search by days, so or by year or by month. For you to do that, you just have to click on here. You can see past hours, past 4 hours, past days, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 5 years, from 2012 to present. So Google is going to present you with relevant data based on your keyword and based on the dates, times, and the year people have been searching for keyword. So the next tab here is category. So under the category here, there are different categories whereby all this information can be put. So what you are looking for will determine the category you are going to choose. Okay, so for instance, under the category there is entertainment and art, auto and vehicle, beauty and fitness, book and literature, business and industry, etc. So you can scroll down and see more category under this Google Trend Explore tab. Or better still, you can decide not to choose or not to search by category. So that is what category has to do. Then right here we have another tab, which is the last tab right here, which has to do with web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. All these have a different meaning. So when you are talking about web search right here, it has to do with only people that search for that particular keywords using Google web search. Or when you are talking about image search, this has to do with when people make use of Google Lens to search for an information, or to search for an image, or to search for a product. Then the new search right here is just a new tool that was introduced right here, which similarly work the same way as web search. Then Google Shopping, this has to do with people that search for an information and actually purchase the particular item. Most especially, these tools here is very good for e-commerce business. The very last one here is YouTube search. So this YouTube search has to do with the people that search for the information on YouTube platform and watch the video. This is for YouTube search. So you have to know which method you need to choose. This depends on the kind of information you are looking for, as far as web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search is concerned. Now, the very last tab right here, which has to do with trending now. Under trending now section, this is where you can have all trending information across the world or based on a particular country. So for instance, you might be in Nigeria and decide to know what is trending in America. Google Trend make it possible for you to do that. What you need to do is to enter the keyword, then give the Google Trend to do the work, and you are going to see a variety of results. So right now, as at the times of making this video, right now in Nigeria, you can see what people are searching for. Barcelona versus Club American. That is what people are searching for right now in Nigeria. So since yesterday, about 5,000 people looking for this keyword. So on December 21st, 2023, Real Madrid and Alfena. So the people start search for this keyword here is about 20,000 plus. So this is how to know trending keywords. So you can scroll down and see more trending topics that you can write about or you can make video about. And lastly, under the trending section, you can come to the top right here. And then when you come to the top right here, click on here and you can choose by country. So let's, for instance, we want to know what is currently trending in Canada. So just select on the country, and Google Trend is going to refine and give you the actual trending topic from Canada. So you can see. So as at the time of making this video yesterday, this is about 50,000 keywords that search for this particular keyword. And this is just at least 15 dead, 24 injury after shooting at Purdue University. So this is a current trending in Canada. So you can scroll down and see more trending topic about Canada. So Twitter down. So twitter.com down for user globally. 10,000 keywords. 10,000 people actually looking for this keyword right from Canada. You can scroll down and see more topics, more keywords that people are actually looking for as far as trending section under Google Trend is concerned. Now let's quickly go back to Explore tab right here, and let me show you how you can actually make use of Explore tab to search for keywords or to search for information as far as Google Trend is concerned. So let's check it out. So here we go. This is Explore tab section. We're back. Now we want to explore some particular keywords. Let's, for instance, we want to search for information about Facebook, how people use Facebook, how people register on Facebook. We want to create content around it. Maybe you want to write an article about it on your blog post, or you want to make YouTube video about a particular keyword. So for you to, before you can go ahead and do whatever content you want to create, before you can go ahead and create that marketing campaign you want to create, you need to explore with Google Trends. So it will give you the kind of opportunity, the kind of potential you are going to get if eventually you invest your power, your resources, and everything on a particular keyword. So you are going to know the result even before the investment. So this is one of the reasons why you need to be more familiar with Google Trends, whether you are a content creator, you are a digital marketer, or you are internet researcher. So this Google Trend gives you a kind of the right information about a particular keyword. So if a keyword is a dead keyword, Google Trend is going to tell you. If it's a relevant keyword, Google Trend is going to tell you the number of time, years, months people have been searching for the keyword. So let's, for instance, we want to see how to use Facebook marketplace. Okay, as a keyword. So how to use Facebook marketplace. I'm going to press enter. So let's see the result. Now you can see the result right here. There is no particular result for this Facebook marketplace. Okay, now this is just to tell you that, so for the past 12 months there was no result. This is just to tell you that this Nigerian country, there is no keyword related to this particular keyword. So if you are creating a content on Facebook marketplace, you have to redefine your target audience. So let's, for instance, we want to target the whole world. So for us to do that, we have to come to region or country section. Then we have to switch to worldwide. So let's see the result of how to use Facebook marketplace worldwide. Now you can see we have a result right here. Take a look at it. So right from December 2022, people are searching for this keyword. You can see the graph, and it grew up right here in June 2023. Then come down right here. So this is December 2023, and people are still searching for this keyword globally. So how to use Facebook marketplace. So you can scroll down and see who are the people that search for this keyword. So Google is going to tell you their country, their city, etc. Like for instance, this is under region section. So the top country that search for how to use Facebook marketplace is Canada, followed by Australia, followed by United States, followed by United Kingdom. So you can come to region right here, and you can switch from region to city. So Google Trend is going to tell you which city these people are located. So you can see, so there was no actual city for this particular keyword. So, but we were given a particular region that search for this keyword oftentimes on Google. So let's switch back to region. So go back to region. All right. So if you want to refine our search, we want to go more broaden than this particular result. We can come to the past results right here. So we can click on here and we make sure we look for the result for the past 5 years. So let's see who are the people that make use of this Facebook marketplace for the past 5 years. Okay. Wow. So you can see there are a lot of traffic for this particular keyword in the past 5 years. So the main country are still remain these 4 countries right here, such as Canada, Australia, United States, and United Kingdom. So if you are targeting this type of country, so definitely writing something about how to use Facebook marketplace is a go for you. So that is it. So we can scroll down and see more relevant keyword that are related to this particular Facebook marketplace. Okay, so for us to check some of the top related key right here, so we have to come to Rising. From the top right here, we click on Rising, and you have to select top. So top right here is going to give you most searchable keywords. So you can see how to use Facebook marketplace, how to use marketplace on Facebook, which is 100%. So definitely, if you are going to write something about this keyword, or you want to make video, or you want to do whatever content about this keyword, or you want to create marketing content about this keyword, so you have to make use of this keyword right here. And then alternatively, how to use Facebook marketplace to sell, then how to get Facebook marketplace, how to get to Facebook marketplace, what is Facebook marketplace. So we have about 25 pages of this particular keywords right here. So for us to check out more, so we have to click on here, then we see more pages, such as, then the next one here is Facebook marketplace, how to use it, how to sell on marketplace, how to sell on Facebook marketplace, then PayPal, how to use PayPal. So this is outside the keyword marketplace. So this is just something similar. So we can scroll up and we go back. So right here we have this particular country. This is the 4 countries that actually search for this particular keyword. So if you want to do something similar, something related to this Facebook marketplace, so maybe for marketing, so your country targeted should be this country right here. For content, your country targeted should be this one right here. So now one more thing about Google Trend is that you can compare and contrast topic or keywords. So right here, we can come back to the top right here and say how to use Instagram for business. So let's search. So we can scroll down and see more results. So we have results that related to Instagram. So this is giving us another color entirely. So you'll be able to understand Facebook Marketplace results and Instagram results. So you can see it right here. So by the time we scroll down, now under this particular keyword, which has to do with how to use Instagram for business, we have more country that was added, which is India right here. So India has 100% control of this particular keyword. Then United Kingdom has 40%. Then Australia, you're going to get like 30%. Canada, you're going to have like 26%. Then United States of America, you're going to have like 25%. So we can easily scroll down and see more related topic on this particular keyword. So we can come to the rising right here. We click on rising and then we make sure we select top. So top is going to give us a relevant keyword, how to use Instagram for your business, how to use Facebook for business. This is just something similar. Facebook for business, Instagram account, and how to use social media for business. So these are just related topic. So we can click on here and see more results. Instagram marketing, how to use Instagram marketing, using Instagram for business, how to post on Instagram, and how to use Twitter. So these are just relevant keywords that related to Instagram marketing or Instagram business. So we can see the number of countries that we are going to target as far as these two keywords is concerned. So you can decide to search by country right here. You can decide to search by number of days. So let's say for instance we want to switch back for the past 90 days or 12 months, which is 1 year calendar. So let's check out the result and see how people search for this keyword in the last 1 year. So you can see the result right here that this content right here, this keyword here is still very much relevant. So people are still looking for this keyword in the last 1 year. So this is just a consistent keyword that is good for content creator or marketers or what have you. So you can see some similar stuff right here under this particular Instagram for business section. So this is how to use Google Trend and how you can actually explore Google Trend step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more tutorial about Google Trend topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.